Hey guys, welcome to TèchNA. In this video, I'm going to show you the full complete tutorial of the focus feature from setting it to trying it. So I have already made a video on iOS 15 and iPadOS 15's features. So if you want to see that, just go to my channel and check the video. Also, I will post the link in the description. So in this video, I am going to show the full tutorial of the focus feature. Let's get started. First, you have to launch the settings or open the control center. So how to turn on the focus option through settings? Open the settings app and then go to focus and select the top 3 options or the plus icon. Now let's open the control center. From here, press and hold the focus option and select the 3 option or click on new focus. Then go to custom, or you can go to the other 3. I'm going to custom and select the color, change the name. So this feature is very useful for me while I am attending online class, so I will not be distracted. So next, click on the logo which you like. I'm selecting this one and click on next. And you can also allow contacts, some special contacts who they can send messages to you when you are turned on the focus feature. So if you don't want, you can click on allow none. So now you can select the apps which can send messages. So you can also add apps which is useful for your online class. When you click on done, you can see the apps you selected. Now click on allow apps if you're done with it. Then you can here select the allows time sensitivity or not now. I'm going to select allows time sensitivity. Now we are done. Okay, it's time to test it. So I'm opening the messages app from the other iPhone. So first you have to turn it on. So for turning it on, go to the control center and press and hold the focus option. Then click on online class. So it became white. That means it's turned on. And you can see the logo which we kept on the top right corner near the battery. So I will send a message from the other device. So I'm sending it. So now we will receive it. I think you can see the message. Yeah. So this is how you get messages when you turn on focus. You can also set notifications for other apps when the focus feature is turned on. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.